Down here in SoCal, hanging out. Left Doheny a 3 days ago. And it's drizzling out. It is actually raining in California, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. That's right, editing videos, and it takes some time. A lot of people think YouTube is so easy. Yeah, it's all about editing, having good internet to get this editing up. And I have to tell you, I'm enjoying it down here. It's towards the end. Actually getting towards the end of September. It's around 20 something, and like I said, it's really got my bike all covered up over there, but it's nice to have some rain out here in a while. It's been a long time. I had some issues with a couple of subscribers that think it's okay to bash other guys that comment, and then other guys. One guy was commenting about an e-bike review that I did, and he loved this and loved this bike and loved that bike, and I get these guys commenting on that bike sucks, this, that, real crazy comments. But it's real interesting. I never heard of some of these guys that are commenting, because you have to be, if I'm not mistaken, in order to comment on videos, you got to be at least a YouTube handle, right? You have to be on YouTube. I know I've been on it for long. You think I know all this, but yeah, it's crazy how some of the people are so disrespectful to other people. It's not even to me, it's to another guy that's commenting. Sometimes I wonder if they know each other, because they go around. A lot of these viewers will comment on many YouTube videos. Crazy. I mean, for nothing. It's just crazy. But it's interesting. That's fine. That means they're looking at my videos, and that's all you can ask, right? That's all you can ask, is get people to look at your videos, and hopefully they like it. If you don't like it, don't watch it, because I'm not doing this for the money, guys. I'm doing it to keep myself busy, going crazy. If I'm not hosting at a state park, I got something else I got to do. So let's continue. I was going to go jump in the ocean today, but a little too breezy and rainy out there right now. But it's not that I haven't done that before. I'm going to go ahead and do it too, so maybe a little bit later. We'll get back to that. The train, boss, the train. All right, let's take a cruise, walk over this bridge. Let's have some lunch. But yeah, we got a beautiful view over here. Check it out. There's the old Hornet. Beautiful day here today. And we're just gonna go ahead and cruise over this bridge, head over there to Sunsets, and have a salad and whatever else they got there. All right, just had me some wings and a small salad. Oh, this place is beautiful, right on the beach. Okay, that's what's left of the wings. Got to turn this off, and I'll get a copyright. That was a busy place, and it was a good lunch. Had some wings, salad. Now we are about off. We're back to the Hornet. I'm going to jump in the ocean. I'm going to get me a good swim, and enjoy the rest of the day. Let's get back to the Hornet. cup of coffee, just trying to enjoy ourselves, but look at the size of this tree. Holy smolies. Wow, it fell down. Look at it. Man, I know. It's like big old guy just, you know. Look at this tree here on the right, honey. Oh my God, it's just so beautiful right here. Oh. This place?
Yep, into everywhere, to the coast.
Yep, there he goes. Gold Beach, ocean, Road River meets the ocean. Gold River or Gold Beach Bridge. Beautiful town, guys. Gold Beach. My old Coast Guard days, I used to love working at this station that used to be here. A lot of things have changed, but we're going to head down here to supermarket, grab a steak, salad, and bring it back and cook it up on the grill. Gold Beach is a good little town. About 11-12 hours from San Clemente if you're cruising really good. If not, it'd take a little longer. But let's put this down and down here, Gold Beach. Can't beat that, guys. We're sitting here in the garage of Tony's place, having a salad and a steak. What do you think, honey? It's a good setup? Huh? Delicious. Got the American flag going right there. Got beautiful Gold Beach Bridge in the background. Can't beat that bridge. It's so beautiful. What a scene. Check that out, guys. Wow. Got the steaks cooking. Yeah, I got them a little crispy, but you know, what can you do? They smell good. Gold Beach downtown across the bay there. Let me get these steaks off the grill. And let's get some salad.
I want to be able to have a place like you said, where your family can come and hang out, you know what I mean? And actually have a place that your family can come and spend some time. Right? That's like you.